Do you know how to remove grease stains from your clothes? Today you will learn some simple tips to clean grease from your clothes. Did you know that you don't need to scrub your clothes to remove grease stains? Cleaning grease is much easier than cleaning other types of stains. See 5 ways of removing grease from your clothes. Hot water. Hot water is one of the most efficient ways to remove grease stains from fabrics. However, not every clothing can be soaked in hot water. Before doing it, check the labels on your clothes to see what you can and cannot do to the fabric. If you are sure there are no risks of damaging your clothing, you can wash it with hot water or let it soak for 1 hour and then wash as usual. Use dish soap. Apply a few drops of dish soap directly over the stain and let it act for a few minutes. Then scrub and rinse, then wash following the directions on the label. Clear dish soap and furniture polish. To remove grease from that red t-shirt you stained at your last meal, combine 3 tablespoons of clear dish soap and 3 tablespoons of white furniture polish and mix until smooth. Apply over the stain and let it act for an hour. Then wash as usual. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Baby powder or cornstarch. Baby powder and cornstarch won't completely remove the grease stain, but they help prevent it from spreading and impregnating the fabric. Apply some cornstarch or baby powder over the stain to absorb the grease, and it will be much easier to clean it afterward. Use white vinegar or lemon. This tip works better on light-colored and white clothes. Apply some drops of white vinegar or lemon juice over the stain and let it act for a few minutes. It is important to do it in the shadow to avoid further stains. Then rinse thoroughly and wash the clothing as usual. Now that you know how to remove grease stains from your clothes, why not see how to remove other types of stains? Watch the suggested videos to learn more housekeeping tricks that will help you keep your clothes as clean as when you bought them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.